Welcome to this walk around video on this lovely 2020 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. It's finished in the Santorini Black metallic. With this being the Autobiography, you do have all the black exterior styling. The matrix headlights as standard. This car has been fitted with some 23-inch diamond turned 10-spoke alloy wheels. Just gives it that more aggressive look. Moving to the rear, you do have the rear privacy glass, and to the rear you do get the black tailgate finisher, etc. with it being the Autobiography. Moving into the rear, you do have the perforated semi-aniline leather in ebony. You do have the 4-zone climate control with your heated outer rear seats. And as standard on the Autobiography, you do get the Meridian 825 watt surround sound. Sliding panoramic sunroof. And what's nice about this car, it does have the Cirrus suede cloth headlining, which just lightens the cabin. Moving into the front, you do of course get the 20-way electric front seats with your memory function. Front seats are heated and cooled. You do get the winged headrests in the front as well. You do of course get the heated multifunctional leather steering wheel with your adaptive cruise control. Interactive driver's display as standard. As you can see, it's done just over 28,000 miles. You have all your Apple CarPlay, Touch Pro, nav, rear view camera on there. And as you can see with the seats, heated and cooled. You do have your drinks cooler in the armrest. So there it is, 2020 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. Lovely, lovely car, still in really good condition from new. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.